How to record your PC screen with OBS. Hi there, in this video, I will show you how to record your PC screen with OBS. To start, open and locate your OBS software. On the Sources tab, click on the plus sign. Once you click on it, go to Display Capture. In this example, you can also rename your display capture to have reminders as to what you'll be capturing. In this case, I'm gonna name it My Screen because I'm actually capturing my screen. And then click on OK. Now on capture method, it will show automatic, but you can choose which PC monitor that you want to capture, especially if you're having two monitors at once. So right now I'm going to be capturing my DXGI and then set the display to my primary monitor. And then you can also have the option to capture your mouse cursor or not. In this example, I'll be checking it so you can see my mouse running around. And that's it. It's fairly simple to capture your screen. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.